Good morning to my second grade class. Happy Monday, you guys. I hope you had a great weekend. Miss Edwards spent all of her time this weekend doing yard work, cutting down stuff and trimming and hauling and sawing and trimming trees and bushes. So it was a very busy weekend, but the weather was really nice and I got a lot done. My yard looks better. All right, my friends, today is Monday, April 6, 2020, 4/6/20. So you have a brand new journal prompt. Isn't that cute? Little bear and a little duck with a little flower with his raincoat and his rain boots and his umbrella. All right, so you are going to use this today and you are going to use this tomorrow. And there's only 3 prompts, so you're going to need to pick 2, one today and one tomorrow. All right? And then you guys have spring break. All right. So, oh, this is a good one. If my umbrella could fly. That's a really good one. If my rain hat turned into a boat, I would sail. Doesn't his rain hat look like a boat? Where would you sail if you had a rain hat that looked like that? And then the third one is I like boots because it doesn't have to be rain boots. It can be any kind of boots. All right, so those are your 3 prompts. So pick one for today and one for tomorrow. And then if you want to do the other one, you can. I know you guys like to write in your journal. So those are there for you guys. And remember to color your picture when you're done. All right, so that is your journal. You do not have early bird this week because we just have 2 days. So we didn't print those out. So journal, and then you are going to move right into math. So my review is what you're going to do on Monday. So that's page 579. All right, that's vocabulary. So if you need to look back in your work from last week, okay, it's where you're going to find your vocabulary. But maybe you'll remember it and you won't have to do that. You guys know what data is, and you know what a picture graph is, and a line plot. You guys worked on that last week, and tally marks, and a bar graph. Remember you did that week before last? I think you got, and a survey. You guys remember all that? All right. So you have a word bank right here. So these words plug into these definitions, just like when we had our vocabulary test. All right, same thing. Word bank, fill these in. These are the definitions, find where they go. All right, so all of these words are right here. You don't need to look for any other words. Make sure you spell them correctly because they're right there on the paper. So make sure you spell them correctly. All right, you're gonna do the back. All right, so front and back. And that is going to be Monday sheet. This right here is Monday. Front and back. All right. Save this other one for tomorrow with the giraffe. So put that one away. That one's for tomorrow. All right. There also are no solve it strips for this week because this is just 2 short days. You are going to have this page right here for your word work. And these are compound words, and you guys know what that is. One word, and you put it together, and you make a new word. So one whole word, another whole word, and you put it together, and you have a new word, like good night, baseball, cupcake. All right? So circle the compound word in each row, and I'll show you. Write the 2 words that make up the compound word on the lines below. All right, so you have a row of 3 words all the way across. 1, 2, 3. You're going to read each of these 3 words, and you're going to circle which one is a compound word. Only one of them is a compound word. You're going to circle it. Then you're going to write the first word of the compound word here and the second word of the compound word here. So let's do number 1 together. All right, so number 1, corn cob, sister, and penny. So which one of those 3 words is a compound word? 2 words together. Corn cob, sister, penny. I hear syllables in there with all of the words, but which word is a compound word? It's corn cob. So you would write corn on this side and cob on this side, and then you're going to move to number 2. And then you're going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to number 12. All right? You guys got that? I think you can do that. All right, that is going to be your word work. Then you are going to move into your reading notebook and your social studies work. Okay? And you are going to be reading about Africa. Ooh, Africa. So you're going to read your facts and information about Africa, and Africa is another continent. All right? You're going to read about that. Then make sure you have this. Find Africa. Spin it and find Africa. And once you found it, you are going to color your continent. Whatever color is on the wheel, and then you're going to read and cut this out and put it on the back. All right? So we had a good question last week from a friend. Should we be cutting out our sheets? Yes, you can do that. But if you do that, you need to somehow keep them together. If you want to put them in a big Ziploc bag, or if you want to go ahead and start gluing them. This is the spine to your booklet. So this is where the glue will go when you add another page. So you're going to be gluing them on behind the pages you already did. So this is going to go next, and you're going to put the glue there and then glue it onto your booklet. But make sure you do this first, okay? All right, so that is your social studies. And we're going in order from largest continent to smallest continent. So Asia was the largest. And what do you think Africa is? The next largest. All right, so and then that's it, guys. That's it for Monday. These 2 days are going to be a little lighter in work because you're getting yourself ready for spring break, and you're going to also have specials, which I think may be optional this week for you to do or not to do. So you're going to need to talk with your mom and dad or grandmom or babysitter, and you're going to need to make some decisions about specials, okay? And also I think there is an enrichment hub or something coming that is being put together for you guys to access. And there's all kinds of fun things on the Enrichment Hub that you guys can look and find and see what's on there, and you can go there and do some fun extra activities. Okay, so check that out too. All right, you guys. I think that's it for today. I will see you guys at our Zoom meeting later this afternoon at 1:30. And I want you guys to have a really good day, okay? And I will see you guys in a little bit later this afternoon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.